Thank you for the song, Baba, and singing I'd like to ask Honourable Sunny Lakatani.
I'd like to take you back to year 1900. On the 19th of October that year, Niue was annexed by the British Empire. In 1974, the people of Niue have decided to adopt another status and become the self-governing state in free association with New Zealand. I'm here today with that. Thank you for the Cook Island people. I don't know who was that. Pacific Island people here today. Thank you for coming along and celebrating the 49th anniversary of the Constitution celebration.
They start to cook Island songs and we're going to sing in US. So I think everybody's happy. Si paio eu pia Niue lahari tuai Maka si petawi ma Niue utaru tauri.
And good afternoon. Thank you, Telson. Firstly, can I just acknowledge a few people who have already been acknowledged. So can I acknowledge President Billy, good to see you, lovely to see you again. Can I acknowledge our former Premier Sunny, lovely to see you. Last time I was down in Parliament. I'm still there, so I hope to see you next time soon. Look, the last time I was in this hall was when I cast my vote in the general election, and I have to say that since Saturday I've been down in Parliament, and this is the first community event that I have attended as the re-elected member for Palmerston. I want to just acknowledge the two things really: the leadership that the local Niuean community provides to our Palmerston community. I know it is a small community, but it is a powerful and strong one as well. When I think about this particular room, we have those who have served as former premiers for Niue. We have those who are in leadership positions in education and faith-based organisations. We have those in education, Telson, who himself broke down a number of barriers by becoming the head prefect at Palmerston Boys High School, first time in many, many years. So this is a community that is about leadership, but it is a community that is based around service and art. And so I think that is just fantastic. I hope that we are able to continue to celebrate and acknowledge milestones like this. I'm proud of the fact that I was part of a Labour government as we moved into opposition. But when in government, we made sure that we funded language weeks. We made sure that we celebrated the real importance of Pan-Pacific communities. And so I hope that the incoming government continues to do that. But I do know that if it fails to do that, that this local community will continue to celebrate the importance of language, and it will continue to celebrate the importance of achievements that we all have individually, but more importantly, the collective achievements that we have. And so while these provide wonderful opportunities for all of us, in school groups and community groups and church groups and workplaces and businesses, to celebrate and to have a go at the language of the week, it also actually is really important that we continue to celebrate the different milestones. So I want to acknowledge the 49th anniversary of the fact that Niue is a nation that is self-governing in free association with New Zealand. We have two others that are part of that trifecta. The Cook Islands, which I love here, and Kukulau as well. And so those are three Pacific countries that, yes, need to make their own decisions as they work through their own journey, but they have a really strong link with New Zealand. Quite a different link than other Pacific countries. So I think it's really important that we do acknowledge that. Can I just finally thank you for the support that this local community has given me over many years, and the fact that I was able to hold this seat after what seems to be a very clear way with different colour has meant that I've been able to rely on the support of this local community. So I look forward to continuing to serve not just the Niue community, but our Pacific and Palmerston community over the next 3 years. So from me to you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and a huge congratulations on today's celebration.
Finally, we have our final speaker of the morning, afternoon, and that is the chairperson of the NPNC. So you by me.
Whakatulawa e mahalo Niue me te Pulefakamotu mai e tau tuhau. Translated in English, sustain the Niue language and culture of future generations. Maureen from the Ministry of Civic People, the funding support that your team have provided and ongoing support has really been truly appreciated.
Niue community in Palmerston for the 49th anniversary of Niue Constitution. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What the heck? Happy birthday, dear Niue. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, brother.
Blow the candle.
fola tau tolu e pule ponei. Umomoko miau, he po katoa. Kwa mana ki au fia fia mo ma fola tau tolu e pule ponei. Umomoko miau, he po katoa.
Amazing day. It was a good day. It was a good day. Happy day for Niue.
Any work-ons?
Yeah, maybe I'll come to practice. Highlights, the performance, and the food.
It was a good day. I liked the Takalo because he didn't go to practice. He said he wasn't doing it, and then he went up there and did it. So.
Highlight of today?
Making the otai with Laifone.
The umu. Preparing it and doing the pigs.
This has been a highlight for me, bringing my sister here and enjoying this time to celebrate with the Niue. Congratulations, congratulations. And so I'm just talking from the Cook Island perspective. Kia ora na koutou. Thank you very much for having us here with you and celebrating with my brother like no other from a Niue family.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, man.
The food was nice, the pork was so damn nice. Look. It was beautiful, we love, the culture, and also we love food, and there's a lot of food, that's me, yeah. And it was really nice.
Did you say Niue food is the best?
Yeah, Niue. Food is the best. I love Niue before. My husband has a part Niue, yeah, he's half Niue, half Samoan, yeah. And
Where is he?
he's not here. No, to be honest, my husband is half Niue, half Samoan. Yeah, so he's not here, but I love the Niue people. They are friendly and they are nice people. I love the food and I love everything.
Highlights probably just you guys performing, and all the food. Yeah, the food. Gracias.
No, yeah, it was just real fun and just good to learn about the culture. Yeah.
Well, my thought today, honestly, is one of the biggest, beautiful occasion here to celebrate your Niue Day, your birthday, Niue and birthday, it's just beautiful. All the highlight is the performance. Your group doing the performance and the speakers. We had Niue, our member of parliament here, whole pig, I didn't know which part first to take. Yeah, no, just wonderful, and I want to compliment you on your MC. Did it well.
Thank you. No, it's been great. It's good to see just everyone getting amongst it with all the dancers and the food. It's a really good culture and sort of atmosphere here. So I thought that was really nice, and it was good to see everyone celebrate Niue Language Week and seeing all the kids dancing as well. That was cool. First of all, I'm impressed with the amount of bats there are here. I think there's 19 all up, if I haven't counted correctly, and they all come with different styles and looks and feels. So it's going to be hard to judge. Judging by all of this, it looks like everyone's putting a lot of effort to it. So I got to take my hat off to all the hard work, and I'm sure it's been hard for everyone and rewarding as well.
That was really good today. It's really nice. I'm really happy to see the culture. Yeah, because it's different with Samoan culture too. Yeah, just really proud of you guys to do the dance and the kai. Yeah, thank you.
It's awesome day today. Right from one of the highlights is actually have young people perform, have young people take the lead. Young people like this young man here of ours, Telson, who's not only a leader of I said earlier on of tomorrow, but leaders of today. So that's my highlight, and we see a lot of our young people come in today. Some of our families that we haven't seen for a long time, but it's probably the biggest event that we ever had so far around here, especially in the last 2-3 years with COVID, and just the performances and the singing. So it was awesome day. Yeah.
Oh, I like everything today. Nice and good, beautiful day. We enjoyed it. Tola himta, ke whakawela hi tola himta. Whe whakalofa ke te tūru ke te mtakainanga ni umoi. Longa whuke kai ke lata mea. Mea te tūru tau tangata ni umoi ke whakarataha mo te tūru. Whakawela hi ke a.
Happy anniversary Niue and happy language week. Happy 49 years.
It was amazing. I enjoyed everything, especially the speeches and most importantly the food.
The food, pretty good. Highlights were the pork, the umu today for the pork, and how well it turned out. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think everyone enjoyed themselves as well, and also the performance.
Pulefakamotu. Kia ora everybody. Hey, today was actually the best day, you know why? Because I got to see the haka. And it's not only to celebrate Language Week, but also just to see the community coming together, celebrating the language, and also the 49th years, it's Independence Day, for our Niue people, and it's just the privilege to be here and celebrate together. And actually, my highlight is just being here, and it's just to tautoko the kaupapa, and also to just mingle with our Niue family, and it's even our kids, they really enjoy the entertainment as well. They top it off, the entertainment, and of course the kai. That was the other highlight.
The highlights, I loved the flag raising ceremony, which was last week. I think highlights of today was your guys' performances. I didn't realise that Niue does haka, like unreal. And then the taiaha, what do you call those? The taiaha? Kataoa. Incredible. It sort of made me want to learn more about Niue and your culture. And I know my son will be really interested as well. So.
Thank you very much for today. The meal is always good to take me back to the Pacific. But today has been really good, especially the takalo, and also the increased number of community agencies, organisations that's come in today. For example, we've got a police rep here. Look at that. Isn't that great? And also this gentleman here, the former Premier of Niue, Sani Lakatani, has met up with another former colleague they were in the Mora platoon, which is going back. But anyways, today has been great. The flag itself of Niue, the sunshine in the middle of the deep blue ocean, is so many things I like to say. But to the committee members here, whakauelahi, thank you very much. No waiata, because in Māori you finish speech, then waiata. Whaawhetai lava.
Yeah, it's been a great day. I'm just here supporting my wife for this auspicious occasion. It's been great to meet this gentleman here, Sonny. He's a fellow 1RNZIR member, and he served our country in Vietnam, and it was really good to just catch up and hear some of his stories. Really awesome, and just awesome to be a part of the day and enjoy the meal and the awesome entertainment and the friendliness of your nation. Yeah.
Food. The highlight is the food. There's always the food. When he
turned out well, eh?
Yeah. Puaka. Woo. That's the highlight. It's always the food.
Penat whakaue, ako mapopo he manakau Palmerston North, nero nofi Palmerston North. Moe fia, moe ladau ke nolongo lalatonga. Nai whakaue mawhanau, ka nganga ia ni manako kiai, kia mtore te what, ke ngā hua whanataha, tolu e rata mai atuhau ne toi me mua. Nanga kia ke to tangata Niue ne no Palmerston North. Nei na haka ni manako ai. Silai fia anai ako kiseo e tokuri anai. Tola mta ke tokuri. E anganga anga kau wharata. Kau wharata mo mo e mta. Sipia haka tokupu ke awhia. Ka rongi ke Niue nei au. Ini o tolu whanawea he taupa hau kwenea. Mone ne au.
Looking at the traditional cricket bats to see who's got the biggest bat, and as you can see there, looking at the length of it, great colour, got some shape on it. Here we go, just lifting it up here, just seeing if there's good length, testing the grip. Just rolling through there. Here we go. We've got another bat here. The traditional pake kilikiti. As you can see, he's just lining up the shape, seeing if the curve is correct. Now he's giving it a little strike, tapping it on the ground. Seeing if there's much grip, but as you can see, there's no tape on it. He's just looking at it in disgust, really, because there's no grip. He's actually quite disgusted with it. Here's Mr. Lawrence Liuvai. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Niue Language Week 2023. As you can see here, judging of the pakes, kilikiti. You can see the judge here just looking down the scope, as they call it. Mr. Lawrence Liuvai, just checking out his own bat, seeing if it's the biggest out of all. Yep, he thinks it's the biggest. Could be the biggest. But as you can see here, he's picked up a fluoro-coloured pake. It's Mr. Taleva there, one of the Freiburg legends. So this is what has been going on all week this week for Niue Language Week 2023. Thank you.
Ready to go?